Alrighty, guys, welcome to the daily recap for September 21st, 2022. Let's take a look at what we did today. A couple different things. Market, obviously, with the FOMC day today. We traded a whole bunch of stuff into the FOMC. We can kind of go through that. We had a decent morning, actually, so we'll quickly touch upon that. We did some Tesla long out the gate for about 4 points to the upside on that. If it would load, I don't know why it's not. Oh, there we go. So Tesla long out the gate for about 4 points on that. Then we grabbed it again long off that little bounce, or off the last day's low area for a couple more points. About 4 points in total on that one. We had some LMT long out the gate for about 7 points to the upside. It's a nice little trade there. We tried this Foxo long. We got about 40 cents on that one to the upside. Decent little trade there. Did UNH long for about 2 points to the upside. NVIDIA long for about 2 points to the upside. We ended up rolling to 140 calls, which worked out nicely. And then we actually did play NVIDIA long again on this little dip. The 145s we rolled into, and those ended up going about, it was like pretty close to 300%. It was, what was it? Let me just take a look, guys. It was 267%, so pretty close. Not bad in that regard. We did some SE long. That one ended up getting a decent little pop for like 10, 15 cents, nothing crazy. GCT, we tried that long, ended up not working, getting stopped out of that one. Indo, same thing. We did Frey long for 1 point today on the equity side. And that's pretty much it for the equity. We did try some SOBR at the end of the day. We had this overnight. We got about a point and change on that one, and we tried at the end of the day. Got stopped out for a little loss. But all in all, equity side really good. Option side, we were kind of going crazy with SPY and SPX calls and puts. We traded it really well today. So basically, it came out, and we were waiting. We ended up grabbing a bunch of SPX calls and SPY calls off of this. Got some nice moves, 100% on the SPX calls. The SPY calls most notable were the 388s for 208% off the low here, and then on the way down we ended up grabbing some more. We ended up also having 378 and 377 puts that we rolled into yesterday, and we did a credit on those, and those ended up going 366%. It was a debit spread. We put on the 378s first, then we waited till we could get a credit with the 377s, and then we sold those against for a credit, and then those went up 366% on that dip, which we ended up exiting out at the middle, or I guess on this first little release of the Fed. And then the most notable trades were the SPX 3780s at the end of the day, as well as the 3800 puts, the 3780s for 388%, and the 3800s for 1068%. So really nice trade. It was a buzzer beater on those 3800s, but happy to see it, happy to get it. And yeah, it was a really good day, guys. Just intense trading here. We trade the SPY and the SPX pretty aggressively when we do have those, this type of range in it and this type of velocity. It's actually some of the best trading. You can see the whole, trade log posted tonight as I usually post it. So if you're curious to see exactly what we did, you can go have a look there. Otherwise, if you have any questions, guys, go to spartrading.com, reach out there. We stream every single day from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And yeah, if you guys want to come pop in and see what we do, get an idea of the ideas that we put out and the guidance, etc., feel free to come in. Anyways, guys, that's it. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you all tomorrow. Have a good one.